the 7D American wiring harness. So it's pretty complicated at first until you break it down into sections. And so what I've done is, this is circuit 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9 is, this is, I suspect this is 9. So, my favorite circuit is, I think, 9 is because this is it. Right hand courtesy lamp. So, I'm done. It's all wired up. Thank you guys, and keep tuning in, man. We got some good shit here. Basically, I'm going to break this down into a few videos so that it's not overcomplicated. There's some add-on stuff that you change the 69 harness to a 70. In fact, this is probably a 69 harness, and there's a couple of rewires and extensions that you do for 1970. One is like your signals for your column here. They give you an extension so you can route it to the right side of the column instead of the left side via the 69 was done. But I'll get into that. The first thing you do is you want to break this down into the sections, and as you can see, the circuit branch 1 here, the easiest thing I can do to explain this is to start by 1, because you know where this goes. It's going to go just like this in your firewall, and then this is just going to wrap around inside your upper dash on the car there. It'll come from the back of the firewall to the front and over the steering column or underneath the steering column. I'm not sure yet, but basically, so you're going to mount this, of course, and then we're going to start off by looking at circuit branch number 1, and that has the dimmer on it, which is that right there, and it comes with this dimmer switch. So it's easy to match these two up because they're pretty simple. And this one here is the same circuit branch 1, and it's going to your dome light and left-hand dome light. So that's going to go to the quarter panel. I guess that's why there's such a long wire. And then you've got this left-hand door jamb switch. So it goes to your door jamb switch. This doesn't come with those, but if you have those, then you can plug this in your door jamb switch. And this might go into the door itself, where you've got that courtesy light in the door. It says left-hand dome light, so that's probably, maybe it goes all the way to the rear quarter as well, or maybe it go to both. So anyway, that's your door. There's a ground. That's circuit branch 1. Now we got branch 1 done. We're done. We're finished with branch 1. And the next branch is branch 2, and basically branch 2 is a little more complex because it looks like it's going to have a lot of extra leads to it, but the easiest part here is that it's got your relay. So you got your relay sockets here that you're going to put your relays in, and those relays happen to be right here. Tells you which one goes where, and you just drop those in, and you're done with that. And that's just going to be mounted to the firewall or the dash somewhere inside the car, and you're going to ground it, of course. This is just showing a relay ground. And then you've got your branch circuit 2 that goes with this. Now these are really, really long. And if you look on here, you'll see that these are going outside the firewall. Washer pump, that brake warning goes inside. Hood scoop lamps, that goes outside. Horns, that goes outside. Electric fan trigger. Didn't know these were set up for that, but the electric fan and left-hand turn, side marker and parking lamps, and low beam headlamps, high beam headlamps, and also RF turn, right, front, and fog lamps. So all this goes through the firewall, and I'm not sure about the brake warning switch. I thought the brake warning switch was inside, unless it goes to like part of your brake system. I'm not sure, but you may know about that. Okay guys, that's the first two of American Auto Wire, and that's all you have to do to stick this through the hole and through the firewall. Run this inside underneath the dash, wherever you want to put your relays at. Put your dimmer switch in and then wire it to that, and then go through the jamb and through the door with that, and you're done with circuits 1 and 2. I'll do another video here and we'll do circuit 3 and circuit 4. Hope this helps for the 1970, 69-70 American Wiring Auto Wire. Actually, it's not that exciting, fellas, but alright, we'll see you on the next one.